Dark as fuck. Just a little quick little.
This first time I drove a turbo.
For real? I mean, it's just like a small turbo. It ain't been like fancy. I'm about to brake boost. Well, I'm gonna show you what it's like. You know what I'm saying? Just going without brake boosting. And then we come back. I'm gonna do like a 30 right now, and then come back around, do a 60.
You mean say it was gonna feel stronger?
Yeah. You gonna hear the turbo. You can probably, I don't know if you can.
Yeah.
Brake boosting so much, my brake pads are stopping hella late and shit.
Yeah, I can feel it though.
Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna go like 25. Hear it?
Yeah. That one kinda got me sitting all the way back. You the one that he was on the phone with the first time we was out and shit. Yeah.
I think the first time I went to his house.
I think so. Yeah.
He tried to do it first. You ain't gonna feel it. I'm already damn near red line.
Yeah, I feel it.
Mine did it, bro. Nobody knows shit. They went over there or they in DJ shit?
I think they're right here. Your brother's still in there. DJ in there. So put him in his spot.
Yeah.
How they feel?
Oh yeah, I felt it. I felt it.
It ain't like the fastest thing in the world. It's just quick. It's just quick. That's all. And shit.
Yeah, you shaking and shit. That's why.
Who left that goddamn paper in my shit? Think that's either yours or Pee-wee's.
What is that for?
That group they wanted me to be in.
Oh, that was a challenge.
Be no challenge.
You can probably be on YouTube.
Huh?
You probably could shit do YouTube.
I don't want to join that shit. We made our own little group, niggas.
We need more people in that house.
Oh God, we need to find more people.
I'm getting my shit. So, hey, I'm gonna be racing one of y'all. Put turbo on that bitch.
Hey, what
Is it Lauren?
I'm
That was loud as fuck. I'm like, who the fuck is that? Watch your foot.
I almost thought they both have. What's the name? Ooh, let's see how this goes. See what everybody's talking about. If it's enough to push my hood back, yeah.
It ain't like no fucking scat pack or nothing. It's just like the turbo, like, it's just, I be fucking brake boosting. So you can feel it more because the boost is already built. I'm gonna do like a little 20 roll right here, and then I'm like, when we get like halfway down there, I'll do like a 40. And then come back and do like a 60.
Alright, just don't kill me.
I got you. I'm a good driver.
People be killing me with these BMW. Look, y'all know how to drive stick.
This is, hold on, I'm gonna do it like a.
Oh, I hear the turbo. This is how you be feeling. This is how she be feeling. Everybody knows how I see her.
Goddamn. Down road, bro. Damn.
Felt that shit.
Yeah, we was only going like, I don't know, 80, 90. I can't really tell. I was too busy looking at the road. I think the 30 and 25 road really, it can really catch a lot of people because it's like catch them off guard. We got a second.
I was not even in sports mode.
Oh, it's in sports mode.
Oh.
It's the light, it's the little red right here. See, look, that's not sports mode. You can, when you're not in sports mode, the shit, the suspension, it go back up, so you don't feel as many humps and shit. Let me see, let me go like 25. God damn it! I'm pressing too hard on this brake.
Hell no. Yeah, she got that joint, yeah. Yeah, my cousin was in that race. There's no point in even calling him out.
Wait, who?
My cousin, he got a turbo and shit too.
He got a Honda too?
Nah, it's an Impala.
Oh, he got a, oh yeah. Yeah, that one, yeah. Maybe.
Ooh. Dang. That was an interesting ride.
You're gonna be on YouTube again.
Oh yeah, this is like a little reaction video. You know what I'm saying? We with the gang. It ain't like crazy or nothing. It's just a little quick, right, Lauren? They was here earlier, but they didn't. I guess they left before we got here. Where my fries at? My eyes burn. He's still eating that damn pizza. We got the game right here. You know what I'm saying? Ugly. uglier. Swear to God. It's good. Hey, is my window down? Oh fuck. Are you fucking serious? What time is it? Oh, goddamn, y'all. Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe on the GoPro. Catch y'all on the next one. Follow me on my social medias. Me and Mike, move. Bye.